Hi friends. Yeah, today start the sixth new book history second lesson human evaluations. Already I put the first unit. Suppose if you not watch, you watch and subscribe my channel and watch and learn. Very only importance and book back question is there. Very useful for preparation government exam TNPSC and studying students. It's a very useful. Today start the unit 2 human evaluation. So important things that lesson discuss about the grandson, grandma and granddaughter discuss important points. I go through the lesson and important points taken tell you. Very useful for you. The first point, this lesson discuss about the human evaluation. So how to implement the human. So as a step by step development previous histories. Okay. The history of the human evaluation can be scientifically studied with the help of the archaeology and arthropology. So two methods using here the scientific studies, the human evaluation, anthropology and anthropology. Anthropology. Okay, anthropology means what? Have the unearthed the footprint of the humans in a country is called the Tanzania. Tanzania, which is the eastern in Africa. So Tanzania, this country humans, which place is there now is eastern Africa. They were found in the rock beds submerged under the sand. Archaeology is the study of the prehistoric human remained material used by the prehistoric humans, historic humans. Excavated material remains are the main source main source for archaeological studies. The stage of the human evaluation. Astrobo, Australopithecus. The six categories the human evaluation is there. First one Australopithecus, Australopithecus, proto-human, Homo habilis, proto-human, Homo erectus, Java man, Neanderthal, Neanderthal, non-fully human, Homo sapiens, wise man, Chromanis, the present man, the modern human. The six categories human evaluation stage is there. Anthropology is the study of the human and evolutionary history. The word of the anthropology is derived from the two Greek words. One anthropos meaning man or human and logos meaning thoughts or reason. The anthropologist attempt the investigations the whole range of human developments and behaviors to achieve the total description of the cultural and social phenomena. So info bits the Chromanus the land to live in a caves. The Lacus caves is the France is the evidence for cave living the Chromanus. The habits to brace the death. The people and their habits whatever habits is there. Astrobodicus East Africa, Homo habilis South Africa, Homo erectus Africa and Asia, Neanderthal I say Russia, the European and Asia, Magnos, France, Peking, China, Homo Homo sapiens Africa, Heidelberg, London. These are the human habits. These are different categories of human habits. Here Harmonious learned to live in a cave. Lagan's caves is the Francis evidence for a cave living of Cro-Magnons. Their habits to bury the dead. The best stone for the making weapons was Chikimuki Kal. The first make the fire. So say the human invention this. The Chikimuki Kal is shown for the strength and the durability. The humans spend many hours search for the split stone. They made the sharp weapons and tools with the help of the stones and fitted them with wood to grip them. The human create the tools like axe with big stones. So the human, the previous history, the humans using the Chikimuki Kal and to make the invention the axe also. Then today is the village district in Tamil Nadu. People have the habit to making the fire without use of the matchbox of Nilgiris. Nowadays also not using the matchbox. The Chikimuki Kal use the get the fires. Then here importance Kilvalai, Viluppuram, Usulambatti, Madurai. That is the feature. The oldens using these features. The Kumudipadi, Coimbatore. That is the artist of cave. So, Kilvalai, Viluppuram, Usulambatti, Madurai, Kumudipadi, Coimbatore, Mavadaipu, Coimbatore, Poivarai Cave, Karikayyur, Nilgiris. This is the importance galleries. Time machine, the machine capable taking this person backward or forward time. Evaluation, the gradual changes leading to a more advanced development. Predators, the animals hunt and kill others living things for food. Footprint, the impressions of the food person of the animals. Heights, tinted skin of the animals. Millions, the 10 lakhs. Nomadic, the herdsman without any fixed human moving about in search of the pastures for this cattle. Patterns, the exchange of the food without involving money. Prey on animals that is hunted and killed by another for food. Choose the correct answer. Book back questions. The process of evaluation. C answer. Not B. C answer. Gradual. The process of evaluation is gradual. Tanzania is studied in the continent of Africa. Match the statement with the reason. Tick the appropriate answer. The statement migrations of man different parts of the world. Result is change of the physical and colors. Reason the dramatic changes. So which one is the correct answer? Statement and reason is correct. Find out the wrong pair. Australopithecus less producing face. Homo habits walked on both legs. Homo erectus, upright man. Homo sapiens, wise man. So filling the blanks. Unearthed the footprint of the human is Dangonia, some married leggy. The million of years ago, our ancestors lead of a life difficult. The man occupations of the ancient human were and hunting and gathering. The invention of farming the easier cotton kin answer. Cotton kin. The rock painting are found at the Nilgiris. Valerie Kombe answer. The filling the blanks. Valerie Kombe. So true or false, orthobiology is the study of the coins. False. The Homo erectus Java man had the knowledge of fire. True. The first science invention of the humans was wheel. False. The goat was the first animal to the domesticated by human. True. Yeah, that's all friends. Yeah, second unit fully I covered. Book back question and important points. Very useful for exam learning. If you like these points, like this video, please share your friends and subscribe my channel and comment me. So any correction also comment me. I rectify the correction, I improve, I change something. So thank you friends.